How well is your auto repair business running? Does your work calendar look like this? Or your job cards like this? Or your paperwork like this? Looks pretty stressful, right? What you need is Torque360, the most powerful and user-friendly tool for auto repair businesses. Torque360 is built from the ground up to be fast and reliable, powered by business intelligence, ensuring your customers leave with a positive experience of your business. Inspect vehicles through a detailed list. Here you can add pictures and take notes. With Torque360, you will be able to create estimates, order repair parts, supervise your team, track job schedules, and collect payments. All through one simple platform. That means you can say goodbye to all your other tools and have everything you need in a single software. Whether you are collecting signatures on your terms and conditions or sending professional invoices to your customers, Torque360 does it all efficiently and with style. So, what are you waiting for? Get rid of your stress and book a free demo with Torque360 today so you can supercharge your auto repair business. Torque360, the cruise control to your success.